N. Espinosa. And we got tip-off, mga kaibigan. Welcome to the round of 32 of the Big Dance. ICC Blue Hawks versus the Diliman Blue Dragon. Pass it down sa corner for the three-point shot. At Blue Dragons, we got Carmel Espinosa sporting that hair that Yannick Noah will answer. They answer with a long bomb. Number 1. Borgo. Making damage on the part of the Blue
Ball pick.
And there's a fast break on the part of the Blue Dragons. Closing.
Babalik po tayo sa ball game. 0-2 on the part of the ICC Blue Hawks.
But they convert on a three-point shot. Napakita sa atin. Obviously expected naman kasi. Number 8 for ICC. 15th and 18th. Talaga expectations mo dyan, magiging tight yung laro eh. Kasi makikita mo talaga sa kanila kung ano yung kalidad. Axel Taborco, mga kaibigan, showing us talent, pound for
Full
pound.
court press.
I think ito yung nangyari kanina kasi nadidelay nila yung opensa ng Blue Hawks. But the Blue Hawks, my God, they have answers. Even if
Contender sa NCRAA.
let's see what's gonna happen here. Number 12, Parista with a three-point shot. They needed it. Tingnan natin kung kanino pupunta yung bola. Number 2. And my God!
And the number 15 rank, the Diliman College Blue Dragons. Ball, Solomon Cone. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. 3-point shot by Rios. And there you go! Sabi ko na sa inyo mga kaliga, it's gonna be
Blue Hawks with the ball!
Blue Hawks and Blue Hawks! Blue Hawks!
With the shot! Grabe action! Mga kaliga! Ibang klase na to!
Natin kung ano mangyayari.
And it's a missed shot! Tagay sa isang clutch situation. Let's see what's gonna happen. And it's a missed shot! But it's a rebound on the part of ICC with the win! ICC Blue Hawks advances to the Sweet 16 of the Big Dance! Grabe!